Let's get started.
Was able to get a few parts in and tools to start some repairs. Here we go. I'm going to replace that gasket. It's for an auxiliary cooler. Got a plate on it with a gasket on it, and it looks like it's leaking. It's a 10mm bolt. The gasket was worn. Cleaned it up and replaced it. The torque spec on it is about 8 foot-pounds. That's kind of what I'm thinking for the mount. Somewhere in the center of that bracket, and just above the bolt. So using a center punch, I marked out where I wanted to drill the holes. Hung the bolts. Was able to cut them to size, which made it just about got a couple of these plastic bolts missing. Sleeve for the sway bar. Couldn't find one, but I did find a tractor anti-theft pin with a sleeve. I'm going to cut it to size and we'll go from there. That'll be the new one. So, same width as the frame, just underneath, mounted with bolts. See how it's really starting to take shape. Got my spacers there, and that'll fit to the frame. Those are the bolt holes, and then I've got a small spacer on this side. I'll need a washer on this side here. Those will mount. Same here on this side. Small spacer, the washer, and then the larger spacer on top, and then I'll need to make the bolt holes. Did need a first coat of paint. So now I'm going to start off with the pilot holes on the differential, and that's going to be my guide. And then I'll also have to try to bolt it to the frame somehow, and then I'm going to have to bring these ears in for the spacer. second coat to finish it off. So here are the mounts for the tie rod ends off of the stabilizer bar. And I've got to cut these down a bit and then pinch the ears to get them to the proper size. With the angle iron, I was able to create the mount, and then with the condenser and a torch, I was able to bring those ears in.
That's what it's still looking like right there, home.
I was sidetracked for a minute because the exhaust was getting in the way and I needed it up out of the way, so I had to fit a sleeve. It's all temporary for now. Had to use an angle bar to create a quick mounting plate because I don't have a welder, so in creating this little mounting plate, I was able to install the bracket. The sway bar is pretty close. Sway bar now installed. I'm just going to take it for a spin and see how it does. A small problem with the leaf spring. The eyelet bushing is gone and the leaf spring is actually cracked, so we'll have to get a new leaf spring and get it replaced.
Please like and subscribe. Por favor, dale me gusta y suscríbete.